Hello and welcome to Poseidwn Tech. This is Home Assistant's dashboard with my KNX devices. If you want to learn more about KNX integration for Home Assistant, please watch my step-by-step tutorial. You will find the link in the description. The current version of Home Assistant is 2022-11.5. To update your Home Assistant to the latest version, click on Configuration and Home Assistant Core. Click on Update. After the update, it seems that my KNX devices are not working anymore. Let's see how to fix it. First, I will update the file editor. Click on Notification. I have here a notification about invalid configuration. I will click on Show Logs for more details. The tunneling option is deprecated. Please remove it from your configuration. So, to fix this, open File Editor. This is my KNX YAML file. Delete the lines about tunneling and host. Save the changes. Then, click on Developer Tools. Click on Check Configuration. Configuration is OK, so click on Restart. As you can see now, everything is back to normal. Click on Settings. Devices and Services. The KNX integration can be found here. By clicking on Configure, you can adjust the settings of KNX IP interface or KNX IP router according to your KNX installation. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode. If you like our tutorials, support our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Like and share our videos. And if our tutorials help you to grow your business, become a true member of Poseidwn Tech by clicking the Join button. If you want to learn more about our services, visit our website.